In this new series of videos from Fusion IM, we're going to be discussing data quality and its importance to efficient, cost-effective operations in industry. And joining me to talk about data quality is Executive Chairman Steve Pearson. So Steve, starting at the beginning, why is data quality so important?
Well, it's the old adage, Jamie, isn't it? They're garbage in, garbage out. A lot of companies invest significantly in technology and systems. And obviously, if the systems don't have good quality content, then obviously it's not going to provide the business benefit that the client's expecting. So yeah, data quality is essential. Without good data, then the systems can't do what they're designed to do.
So at Fusion, you've developed this 6 C's of data quality. Obviously, there's 6 of them, but which do you think are the most important?
I think to be the one that's most important is confidence. As we said there with systems, if somebody's going into their corporate system and they've invested a lot of money and they don't believe the content, the data that they're looking at, then their confidence is lacking. So they have to then resort to some alternative method to prove to themselves that what they're seeing is correct. So they might go and physically survey the equipment or find other documents. And the more you look for, then the worse it gets sometimes. So I think it's confidence. If you know that you've invested well in your content and what you're seeing on the screen is actually can be trusted and it's accurate, then I think that's the main thrust. You can have great looking data, but if it's not correct and not accurate, then obviously that undermines the investment for the client.
All of these are individual, but they are also integral to each other as well. Do you have to have that balance? Do you need all 6 to be working right to make it get the true benefit from the data quality?
Like everything, isn't it? It's a case of investment. I think if you're confident to start with, that's really important. But yeah, the others all add value if something's connected. So if you're seeing some data and it's connected to a document, then you can find the document quickly. If it's consistent, again, you start to believe it. So I think they all add up. Obviously you can have a few missing and you can build your information set organically. But yeah, you've got to have these core tenets, to believe in and then invest in getting all aspects of your data quality right.
I suppose when companies start to work with you, they may have some of the 6, or maybe they have none. So how do you help them achieve the 6 C's?
I think the first thing is really to establish what they've already got. Look at that, bringing it together. Look at, obviously, you can make it consistent quite quickly. You can do, as we'll discuss later, you can discuss scraping documents, so you can start to connect information. So I think what you do is look at what they've already got. You harness that. You look to invest wisely, and organically. So you just have to look at each individual case really and start to build it up for the benefit of the client.
So we're going to be looking at the 6 C's and how they impact on different areas of data quality, including, as Steve mentioned, document scraping and also reducing inspection costs. So look out for the next of the series of videos from Fusion IM, where we'll continue to discuss data quality.